Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear sweet children. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Okay. Today we are going to see an interesting story. We already continue this. We started the story. Okay. What is the story name? Whitewashing the fence. Whitewashing the fence. Very interesting story. Written by Mark Twain. Okay. And its original name is Samuel Langdon Clemens. Okay. So, in this lesson, we studied only off portion only. Now we are going to see the rest of the thing. This is the news textbook. Very interesting textbook. Understand? So, last class what we have studied about the author we have studied, an introduction of that lesson we have studied. American author and humorist Samuel Langdon Clemens are better known by his pen name Mark Twain. So its original name is, the story was written by Samuel Langdon Clemens. Understand? So his pen name is Mark Twain. And then he has written two major classics. What is that? The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. So, here okay, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. This is one of the major classic written by Mark Twain. So, from the Adventures of Tom Sawyer only, this lesson extract. Okay, from the Adventures of Tom Sawyer only, this lesson they have extract. So, here we have started the lesson. What in the first we have seen, Saturday morning was come. So they are describing the nature. What is the nature in the village? What is the condition? Okay. So it's a Saturday, and then it's a summer season. It looks very bright and fresh. Okay. If anybody comes to the village, they feel very fresh and bright. Okay. There was a song in every heart. So there was a song in every heart. Mean the people in the village all are happy. Understand? There was cheer in every face. All are very what is that? Happy. Understand? It's a description of the village. Understand? So I told you, the locust tree. It's a kind of tree. It were blooming. So in the tree, the flowers are blooming. Fragrance. What do you mean by fragrance? Fragrance means sweet smell is coming. And then the village name is Cardiff. Behind the village, above it, it was green vegetation. So wherever you can see, it's full of green vegetation. And then inner face seemed to be delectable. Delectable means extremely attractive. Wherever you are seeing the village, it was extremely attractive and reposeful. Reposeful is quite relaxing. Okay, when you see the what is this, nature. So in this village, one main character we are going to see. Who is that? Tom Sawyer. Okay, Tom Sawyer. So he is a very what is this, mischievous boy and very tricky. Understand? So he usually his aunt has given Aunt Polly. Okay, Aunt Polly has given some work to him, so he played a trick and he will escape from the work. Understand? So here, first they didn't tell about that ant and all. They are giving about the Tom's character, how he was sitting, what he was doing. Okay, we can see that. Tom appeared on the sidewalk with a bucket of whitewash and a long handled brush. What happened? So, Tom was walking in the street with a bucket of whitewash. Whitewash means we are whitewashing the floor, no? So, he has one bucket. In that bucket, he has that whitewash. Understand? And then a long handled brush. He having the brush, okay, to whitewash. Understand? So he was walking and he had a bucket of whitewash and a brush in his hand. He surveyed the fence. What do you mean by surveyed? Surveyed means look closely. Surveyed means SURVEED. Surveyed means look closely. So he want to do some work. What? Whitewashing. You want to whitewash the fence. What do you mean by fence? The wall. Okay, wall. Around, in our house we have that wall, surrounded by wall, no? So that is, we call it as a fence. So he want to whitewash the fence. So he was surveyed. Survey means looking closely. Okay, looking closely. What is the length of that fence? How to whitewash that? He was looking closely. And then all gladness left him and a deep melancholy settled down upon his spirit. So, what happened? Suddenly, some deep melancholy. Melancholy means, so in your textbook they have beautifully given all the meanings to use. Okay, don't want to worry about that. The red color, pink color letters, we have to search the meaning in your textbook itself. They have given. So melancholy means sadness. Okay, so when you are in conversation, you can use this, I'm very sad. Instead of using, you can use that, I'm very melancholy. He is very melancholy. You can use this new words also. Okay, MEALNCHOLY, melancholy. This word is very, very important. Often it comes, but I don't know whether you know that or not. Melancholy. Melancholy means sadness. Melancholy means sadness. So what happened? He was looking at the fence closely and then suddenly some sadness in him. Who? Tom Sawyer. Okay, we are seeing the first character only. Okay, understand? Tom Sawyer. So he was very, very sad and settled down upon his spirit. So what happened? He was sat in one corner. So he was very, very sad. 30 yards of broad fence, 9 feet high. 30 yards of broad fence, 9 feet high. So he is looking the fence and he is counting. So it's the length is very high and then the height is 9 feet high. The yards are 30 yards. He was counting. Its painting was very difficult, he find. Okay. So what he was saying, very sad. He was sad and he was seeing the fence and counting 30 yards of a broad fence, 9 feet high. Oh my God, how can I whitewash this? So much of long it is. He was thought like that. Understand? Life to him seemed hollow and existence but a burden, sighing. So now at present situation only, okay, he is a small boy. At present situation he was very, very sad and life to him very, very hollow and expressing his sadness. It's a burden to him. Okay, who? Tom. He dipped its brush and passed it along the topmost plank, repeated the operation. So he started working. What work he was doing? Whitewashing. Okay, whitewashing the fence, wall. Understand? So he dipped his brush and he started whitewashing the fence. Understand? And then what happened? What do you mean by plank? Plank means it's a wooden piece. Okay, the wall is built by wooden piece. Understand? It's a foreign country. Okay, so they have different. It's a wooden piece like this. Plank means wooden piece. So it's like, so you want to whitewash this plank. Okay, understand? And then what happened? Did it again compare the insignificant whitewashed streak with the far-reaching continent of unwhitewashed fence and sat down on a tree box discouraged. What happened? For some time he was whitewashed and he was seeing the streak, streak, means line mark. Okay, up to that he want to whitewash that and he want to take rest and again he want to do that work. So he was very very sad and then he was looking at the unwhitewashed fence. Unwhitewashed means the portion it is not whitewashed. He was looking at that area and he was very very sad and he was sat down on a tree. Okay, he was sitting under a tree box. Can you this is that? Okay, so this is a boy who was this is a tree under a box like structure is built. So in that box, tree box only he was sitting. Okay, in a discouraged, he was very very in a sad mood. Okay, understand? Jim came skipping out at the gate with a tin pail singing Buffalo Girls. So it's a foreign story. Okay, so you have to imagine it's a foreign story. So it's there are small boys. They are small boys. So they are very very innocent. The boys are very innocent. They are enjoying their life with their friends also. So now Tom was in a discouraged mood. He was sitting under the box tree and now the another character is coming. Who is that? Jim. Okay, Jim, Jim. First character what we have seen? Tom Sawyer. Second one is Jim. Okay, it's all under foreign names. And then Jim came skipping out at the gate with a tin pail, singing Buffalo Girls. So now from the gate who is coming? Jim is coming and then he also has a tin with a pail. He has that one what is that bucket. Okay, pail means bucket and singing Buffalo Girls and he was singing joyfully singing. Who is coming now? Jim. Okay, skipping means in what is that? Skipping, you know, like that they will enjoy and he was coming enter the area. Understand? And bringing water from the town pump had always been hateful work in Tom's eyes. So so Jim work is to bring water from the town pump. Okay, what is Jim work? He want to get the water from the town pump. Had always been hateful work in Tom's eyes. So what the work was done by Jim was not liked by Tom. Okay, Tom don't like Jim's work. Okay, Tom don't like Jim's work. Jim was carrying water from the town pump. Understand? So each one has some work. Before now it did not strike him so, but now he was quite interesting to do that work. Who? Tom. he remembered that there was company at the pump. So in that water pump, no, so there are number of friends are there. So Tom was interested in doing that work because of the friends. In that water pump, there are so many friends are there, surrounded there. Okay. Then white mulatto and black boys and girls were always there, waiting their turns, resting, trading, playing things. So mulatto means a person of mixed white and black ethnicity. Understand? So the color of the person is white mixed with black, brownish color, like that. So we can see white boys, black boys, brown color skin boys. So all are playing in that area. Which area? In that water pump area. And then quarreling, they will quarrel, fighting, and they will do anything. They are small boys. He remembered that although the pump was only 150 yards off, Jim never got back with a bucket of water under an hour, and even then somebody generally had to go after him. So Jim is very very interested in doing that work. Which work? Carrying the water from the town pump. Understand? So it's a very very interesting story. Why I am explaining this story very detailedly means it's a very very famous story. Okay, Adventures of Tom Sawyer is very famous story, and you can enjoy the story. It's a foreign story. So each conversation we can how the little boys enjoying. We can see that what are the conversation they have, they are exchanging. It's very very interesting one. So only I am detailedly going that. I think it will take 3 classes to complete this lesson, 3 or 2 classes. Understand? So so the central character is Tom. Tom was started whitewashing the fence, but he was bored to do that work. Suddenly one another character, his friend is coming, Jim. Jim's work was to bring the water from the town pump. Understand? So Jim is interested in doing that work. Understand? Up to that we have seen. So next class I will continue this beautiful lesson. So please watch the video 1 or 2 times. Understand? If you have any doubt, you can ask me through phone. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.